Hello po, ma'am. Good morning po. Nandito na po ba yung manager?
Yes po. Pawit na lang.
Sige po, ma'am. Thank you po.
Sir, pwede ka lang pumasok.
Ay, sige po. Thank you po, ma'am.
Okay, good morning, Emma. Welcome to our company.
Good morning po, ma'am. Medyo nervous po.
Don't worry, that's normal. That's why we go through this process. This is the indoctrination process. So it consists of the induction, the orientation, and then the socialization phase. Okay?
Yung indoctrination phase po, ma'am, yung parang winawelcome ako sa company.
Yes. So basically, ito na po yung first phase.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, you'll feel more welcome na po dito sa company namin. Okay? So ito po, these are your documents. This is the benefits, policies, job description, and then later po, we'll review your rights and responsibilities.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Okay po, Sir Eman. Now that we're done with the first phase, we'll proceed over to Sir John. He's going to orient you about the company. Okay, so do you have any more questions?
Wala naman po, ma'am.
Okay, sige, let's go. Morning, Sir John.
Morning, ma'am.
So, this is Sir Eman po, our new employee. Pa-orient na lang po, sir. Ano po? So, these are his files.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, Mr. Eman. So, okay, Eman, I'll take it from here. So, our next step is the orientation.
Sir, yung orientation po ba is where I learn more about the company po?
Yes, so the orientation will help you have an insight on the company's values, mission, and vision, and also it will help you have the knowledge about the company's history.
Yes.
So, for example, our mission is to provide innovative solutions with integrity,
Yes.
and you'll be part of the operations department.
Okay, sir.
So, you'll be reporting to me and collaborating with other teams.
I see po, sir. So yung induction po tells me about the basics of my role, pero yung orientation po is where I learn more about the company, tapos parang it helps me po with how to run it. Parang ganun po.
Yes, yes.
Okay po, sir.
So, that way, you're not just doing a job, you're also contributing to our bigger mission.
Okay po, sir.
So, do you understand that?
Yes po, I understand po. Thank you, sir.
That's good. Thank you.
Morning po, sir.
Morning, Jill.
So, ito po yung pinapagawa niyo last meeting natin, morning.
Thank you. Tamang-tama, Gil. So, Gil, this is Emma, our newly hired. So, Gil is going to show you around.
And I'm going to introduce you po to the team.
So this is meeting new people po.
This is called socialization.
Okay po.
Sunod ka na lang Emma kay Gil para sa socialization. Thank
Sige
you.
po.
So, now, sir po, I'll show you around and introduce you to your co-workers po. So, every Friday po pala, sir, we do a team lunch po because that's part of our culture po. So, tara, sir, pasok po tayo.
Sige po.
Hello po, good morning po. So, this is Sir Eman po, our new employee.
Hello po.
So, Sir Eman, this will be your office and this will be your co-workers. This is Ma'am Lai. Hi, good morning. Ma'am Via. Hi. And Ma'am Des.
Hi guys, looking forward to working with you.
Hoy, if you need help, you can talk to us, okay?
Good luck, sir.
Nag-lunch ka na ba?
Joke! Ayan, alright. So, tapos ka na po, Sir Eman, sa indoctrination.
Yes.
Kumusta naman yun?
So far po ma'am, okay naman po. Parang comfortable po sila kasama and sobrang welcoming. Yun yung po na-feel ko and I feel like po in the long run, I'm going to get along with them and be productive, be in a productive work always.
Yes, that's good. Kasi yung purpose kasi ng indoctrination is not just an introduction sa company. It's also making you feel that you belong.
Yes po. I think po that's the purpose of indoctrination. Indoctrination, it's not just learning the basics of your roles. It's also learning how to adjust, how to know more about your company.
Yes, exactly. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Ano po?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay?
Looking
welcome
forward
the
to
company.
working
Yes.
on this.
Okay.
Hi, baby.